In this video I'm gonna show you real quick how you can add a Swagger user interface to Archbee. Hi, I'm Val, the head of the knowledge at the PitchGround. Open API specification or Swagger specification is an API description format for REST APIs. It can be written in JSON or YAML. The format is easy to learn and readable to both humans and machines. These JSON and YAML files can be both generated from your codebase or manually written. The file itself can be uploaded to Archbee or wherever you want. Once you've uploaded the file, all you have to do is just click on this little icon and set the link to your Swagger file. And now you have a fully usable Swagger user interface for your team or customers to play with. If you have any questions, you can look through the knowledge base or feel free to ask here in the chat.